Hi everyone, my name is Nanapu Sirisha. I am studying in 5th semester in Computer Science and Engineering in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today our subject is computer networks. In computer network we study about the neural networks. And in this topic we study about the leveraging speaking neural network for topic modeling. Abstract. This article instigate the application of speaking how to speak the neural networks to the topic modeling. To identify the significant groups of words, it represents the understandable of topic in large set of documents. In this, after training the neural networks, strongest weight are inspired as the word that represent the topic. We compare that performance of STM with four other TM methods, latent directlet allocation LDA. In this STM, each SSN neuron represents one topic for each neuron weight corresponding to the word. STM synthetic connection are modified according to the speaking multiple times in dependent plasticity. After training neurons, strongest weight is connected in this allocation. Next is introduction. Speaking neural network or artificial neural network are inspired by the functioning of biological neurons. It has the unlike traditional neurons which operate and continues the value of SSN to operate that disease in the synaptic. If a neuron participates in the activation of another neurons repeatedly, the symptomatic connection between them strengthens. This learning paradigm is one of the biological placebo form of Heberian learning (HL) is peak time depending plasticity in strongest way. It has the rule that neurons file shortly before the post-synaptics. Once the symptoms between the strongest, it has the neuron training according to the document of sequence, which is representing a single word. Next is literature survey. In this we study about the applications of SSN in NLP, how the SSN learn the connect to the NPL. The principle of motivating of adopting such an approach lines and tracking classification outcomes in the SSN that closely approximate the those activates by ANN while mitigating electrical energy consumption. It prevented work focus on the connection of the pre-trained DNS and SSNS of the subsequent used in the text qualification. In this summary, text qualification is the dominant research topic in this application, where SSN to NLP. Additionally, the influensive representation of tags as well as generation of neural language are addressed by the research. Moreover, the most work adapt solutions that have the language in SSN which mimic biological neurons communicate the process hold the potential for improving efficiently in some computational tasks. Next is methodology. In this methodology, the proposed killing topic modeling methods is represented systematically. In this pre-processing, each text document is transmitted into a sequence of tokens which is contained correspond to the pre-processed world in this document. In this document, we use the transformation text to speak. How we get use the connection between the text and the speak, and this network architecture and plasticity. Next is empirical evaluation. Empirical evaluation is the combination of data set offering, and assessment across the scale and range of complexity. BBC News enable initial exploration, news balance size and maximability, and enable the exploration of the potential real world crew. Next is comparative model. We compare the performance of various instances of the STM model with four well known the TM methods. Next is training procedure. It will train the single STM model to compress two stages. During the first stage, we have the speaking according to the procedure in this sector. Next is quantitative evaluation of topic quality. To essential feature of TM is the interpretability of the topic. Next is scalability. Scalability is comparing with other modules. We have report training and memory uses for all the methods and dataset studio. With training time are essential for the highest configuration where key is 40 topics. The reported memory is the peak memory requirements measured across the entire training process. Next is implementation and details and scalability. It is essential to note that training time and memory consumption of a particular model strongly depends on the implementation. Next is learning procedure and parameters. In this learning convergence and stability analysis. To better describe the network's dynamic during the learning, we introduce two metrics. First is W and quantifies the scale of network weight change during the single training epoch. Next is topic information dynamic. In this section, we explore the one of these sports related topic directed in the experiment in more details. Next, GPU implementation. It is GPU implemented to enhance the efficiency of the STM and investigation its integrity with deep learning solution. We propose its implementation based on the SSN touch. This is the example of how the GPU implementation is working. Next, conclusion. The quantitative evaluation of STM result it confirmed the purpose of the highly connected with diverse topics. In this paper also discussed the significant part of STM dynamics, including the process of topics, information, and the conversion of the learning process. To demonstrate how analyze the neuron activities is pace of weight modification along with stimulation observation. In this also we study about the changes in the synaptic connection occurs during the first few epochs of the learning process. Thank you.